Good morning, everyone. So something a little bit different today. Now that I've done all my projects, it's time to eat. We're going to make some delicious ribs. So the process basically starts out with kosher salt, garlic salt, chili powder, and some cumin. Ooh. And then whatever this is, half a cup of brown sugar. So we're going to mix all those together. While we're doing that, we're going to be smoking these on the grill, so we need to soak our wood chips in preparation for that. Just give them a little water, let them sit, they'll be alright. I'll show you how to set up the grill in a minute here. Alright. Mix up our rub. And I've got my ribs all nice and de-thawed and sitting on my cookie sheet. Put a couple of cranks of pepper in there. Alright. We'll set that aside. Bring in our delicious ribs. And just spread it out a little. And then rub. Getting that everywhere. Good coverage. That'll give them a nice nice flavor. Flip and repeat. All right. A nice covering on those. So we let those sit for 20 minutes, half an hour. And then while we're doing that, I'm going to go start the grill. Make a nice smoke ring for that. And we'll be ready to cook. Alright, stay tuned for grill. Hold on. Alright, so time to make the glaze. Glaze is really easy. It is 1/4 cup of your favorite applesauce. And 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. I go with the Sweet Baby Ray's, you know. And then we mix those together real good. Make a nice brushing sauce. You got your silicone brush. And then we go out and dab that on our ribs. Let's go check those out. So I've got my grill set up. I got the coals around the outside. Apparently we're calling this the snake method. Take your wood chips and spread them out. Give us some good coverage. Okay, so we got our ring of coals and chips. Just put a little lighter fluid in these first couple just to help it go. And then the idea behind this is we put the ribs on there, and as the coals burn and catch the cherry chips on fire, it'll smoke. So that's about it. Throw our cover on here. Oh yeah, and we wait, give that a couple minutes, and we'll throw the ribs on there. Alright, so our ribs have the rub on them. They're obviously soaking that up nicely. And we'll just take these and throw them out on our grill. And there we go. Got our bottom vents open and our top vents open, because obviously to smoke, that needs lots of air. Alright, we'll update that shortly. Alright, I'll give these guys a little bit of love. Apparently you want to do them just as they're drying out. You can see the rubs starting to soak in and dry up, so we'll we'll get these guys soaking, get our lid back on, and give it another one of those in a half hour or so. So the ribs were on the grill for about 3 hours, and yeah, I got some more of the same old stuff I marinated them with, apple juice and a little bit of barbecue sauce. It's more apple juice this time, so it's runnier, thinner. Probably a better word. And now I'm just going to wrap them up. Make a little foil packet, and then we're going to throw them in the oven and let them cook for probably about another hour, and it'll steam up real nice. We'll probably check them in half an hour and see how they're going. Alright, stay tuned.
I'm finishing the ribs. They've baked now in the oven for about an hour to steam them a little bit. And here we go. Oh yeah. A little ham and scallop potatoes.